hell is going on over there?
So I think the next line is, what are you doing here?
Right. How do you want to do this? Is this... Whoops.
I'm so sorry. I'm not used to lugging all this around.
It's okay. It's kind of new to us, too.
Is this one of your first movies also?
It's mine. I was invited after the director saw one of my YouTube skits.
Yeah, me too. I did a series of low-budget educational videos online, and he thought I'd be a good producer. Time will tell.
Right. Sir, you want to take a look at this? That's great. Hey, you.
Yes.
Did you finish with the window coverings?
Yes, sir.
And they're secure?
Yes.
Okay, it's supposed to be night.
Quiet on set! Sound speed!
Camera's rolling.
Take one.
Action.
What are you doing here?
The finest things in life are here.
I need more than that.
My whole business has to do with you on that bed with me and your cat. You need light.
Whoa, scared of the dark, Dean?
At least I'm not afraid of ghosts.
I told you that in confidence.
Where's that red light coming from?
Oh, you promised! You promised! Go write more! Go write another script! Go write a sequel! You'll feed again! You will feed again!
What? Gotta make some calls.